Let's begin our entry into the iPhone 4 GSM by first removing our two pentalobe screws, one on either side of the dock port assembly on the bottom of the phone. With our pentalobe screws removed, we can take a grip of the rear portion of our phone and slide it upwards about 1/8 of an inch. This should free the back cover from the iPhone for removal. With the cover removed, right away you'll recognize the battery. Let's use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the single screw that's securing its connector into the motherboard. The connector for your battery should now be freed. We can use our spudger to gently pry that up. Make sure to keep track of the small metal clip that's below our battery connector for our reassemble. With the battery removed from the iPhone, we can now bring our attention to removing the speaker assembly. Begin by removing our two Phillips screws, securing the dock port assembly connection down. Remove the small metal plate that's covering that connection. With a spudger, we can pry that connection up from the motherboard and peel back the ribbon cable. The speaker assembly is secured by two Phillips screws, one on each side. And don't forget about the coaxial connection. We can use our spudger to gently pry up that connection to begin with, followed by our screwdriver to remove the screws. At this point, nothing further secures the speaker, and it's a matter of our spudger and a little maneuvering, and we can remove it from the iPhone. Let's now bring our attention to our dock port assembly for removal. Let's start off with a small ribbon wire that's located directly behind the dock port. It has a locking socket that we want to flip up the lock on to release the ribbon cable for removal. Let's now remove the two securing Phillips screws on either side of the dock port. It's now just a matter of maneuvering the dock port assembly out of the securing adhesive to remove it from the bottom of the phone for replacement.